first of all, you are very experienced when it comes to engineering these aviation models and so on. You could do stuff yourself very fast, but now you have this kind of urge or this motivation to educate other people doing that. What's behind that?
Yeah.
What's your interest there?
Well, that's what I've been doing as like a team lead in tech companies as well. So all the time when I hire engineers, you have to first of all onboard them and like get them into the context of the company and the problem space, and that never takes a week. Like all the managers always want to say, well, the senior engineers can be onboarded in 1 week. Yes, they can like log into their internal systems in 1 week, but usually onboarding into problem space takes longer, and then also into your practices and the culture that you build. And if the person comes from like a less efficient company, for example, and you suddenly have to teach them how to do continuous integration, delivery, and testing, and how to think in this mindset, it's a lot of coaching. And I really enjoy doing that nowadays, because I think that like being a toxic manager, I'm trying to get as much away from that persona as possible, because it's very draining. Like you lose a lot of energy trying to control everyone and being this kind of harsh boss on top. And I feel like way better way is to be this kind of coaching leader, and to teach people around yourself to be better and really invest into them, in the hope that at some point it will return to you, or they will stay around and just give you a little bit of motivation and energy to also move somewhere. Because by default, I'm a super lazy person. And for me, the greatest motivator in life is just seeing people around me in the community doing something. That's why I really like Makerspace. I come here, people always do something here. People always have ideas. And I was like, shit, I also need to do something. And the COVID years, because of that, were super hard for me. Because you just stay at home, you don't see anyone. So I watched all the YouTube I could in the 2 COVID years. And I procrastinated really hard. And that's also why I kind of want to contribute here to the Makerspace community to make it better and bigger. Because for personal benefits as well, I want to have motivated people around myself to see what they're doing, maybe join their products, share my ideas, give some feedback on them. But also was always passionate about aviation and in general flying things and how they work. I have a small fleet of quadcopters and drones at my house right now, and when you do it alone, it's just not the same.